Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by designing a weekly plan that commits to at least 10 hours per week of focused microbiology study and review. Begin with taxonomy and nomenclature, then microbial cell structure, then growth requirements and culture conditions. This order builds progressive understanding. Use 3 5-inch index cards for quick facts, but reserve spaced repetition software like Anki for long-term memory. Aim for a balance of 70% recall and 30% conceptual understanding, so you can identify organisms and explain disease mechanisms. Adopt active learning. Use Pomodoro cycles of 25-minute study and 5 minutes break to maintain concentration and prevent burnout. Do at least 30 practice questions per day, review every explanation, and annotate errors to build retrieval pathways. Create flowcharts that compare gram-positive versus gram-negative bacteria and diagram virus classification and replication pathways for visual recall. Teach a peer or record a 2-minute explanation of a concept. Verbalizing solidifies memory and reveals gaps you must revisit in subsequent. Integrate microbiology into clinical context by practicing with 50 clinical cases that link pathogens to syndromes, diagnostics, and first-line treatments. This builds pattern recognition. Maintain a log of 20 lab correlations showing culture appearance, gram stain results, PCR targets, and key biochemical tests for each organism. Run OS-style simulations and timed recall drills to build exam speed and clinical reasoning fluency. Regularly consult guidelines for antimicrobial choices and document local resistance patterns to inform sensible empiric therapy decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.